Hmm. So, hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 30th of September till the 6th of October, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, honey, let's see what we have. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the Five of Pentacles. So someone is kind of feeling left out in the cold. Someone is feeling some kind of losses in the situation. Could be possible that someone is going through a major financial loss right now at this present moment, and they're not that much focused on money. Love and relationship right now. Let me clarify the Five of Pentacles as their feelings for you. Okay. It's like this person is feeling left out in the cold because they feel like you are keeping them as an option. You have other people, other energy around you who you like, whom you are dealing with, and you are keeping them as an option. The situation is highly on and off, in and out. Even if they are the one who is kind of keeping you as an option, they feel like left out in the situation, left out in the cold by you. This is strange, right? But it could be somebody who like left you for somebody else, and now they're feeling the loss of you in some way, and now this person is kind of feeling like maybe they made the wrong choice, if this is the scenario. If not, this person is definitely feeling like you are keeping them as an option only in their life, and you're not taking them that seriously as you should. Hmm? Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Temperance. So from your side, you are being very patient with the situation. You are not losing your mind, you are not losing your patience, you're not losing your temper. So you're trying to be as patient with the situation as you can, and you're trying to take things really very slow. I am having beep sounds in my ear out of the blue. So okay, good spirits are around me. Hello. Wow. Signals from the outside world. Wow. So you are being patient because you are scared. You are scared that you are going to end up like breaking your heart again. So you are being very material right now. You are being very materialistic, or right now you are being very focused on yourself only, being a little bit selfish because you don't want to get like in the same cycle of pain and agony again. So that's why you are keeping your things to yourself, and to prevent this heartbreak from happening, whether it's yours or whether it's because of you. You are just in this energy of taking things really very slowly and being very patient with the situation as much as you can from your side, because again you are scared of getting hurt again. This is what you feel because of the past experiences, and still carrying the past baggages with you. You are not able to open up to something or someone fully, like 100% kind of a thing. So that's why you feel like remaining patient with the situation, remaining patient with yourself and with the energy around you is going to help you to resolve the issue slowly but surely, right? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Six of Wands. This person wants to make things right with you. This person wants to make things work out with you now. Now, when I think things are out of hands, now this person wants to come back around and make things right with you. Let me clarify the Six of Wands. We have the Page of Swords, the Four of Pentacles, the Death card. Yeah, they don't want to hold on to any kind of anger, resentment, or any kind of issues between you guys anymore. This person wants to start this connection all over again from scratch, but at the same time want to keep a distance. As of now, this person wants to sort it out with you from a distance. Maybe they want to start online chatting, online connection, online kind of talking to you, communicating with you as much as they can from a distance. And they want to like let go of this holding on to resentment, anger, or holding on to some kind of negative energies in the situation. But they definitely want to make it work out. So starting from a distance, they want to come near to you. So this distance is actually not deliberate. Something or someone is kind of keeping you guys at a distance from each other. Hmm. And this person definitely want to sort it out with you. They want to like gather the courage and the strength to do it with you. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Ace of Cups. Okay, I think you just want to go towards something that your heart wants. You want to follow your heart, okay? And in this energy of following your heart, you're open to new energy, new connection, new situations as well. If something good is out there for you, you are ready for that as well. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. We have the Hanged Man, the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Cups, right? See, as of now, I do see you being in the surrender mode. You are in this energy of whatever is meant for me will come to me eventually, whether it's a past person or whether it's a new person or whether it's a reconciliation kind of a deal. But right now, also, you are in a little bit of defensive mode when it comes to marriage, commitment, and or long-term partnership kind of a deal. Hmm? So you might not be wanting something serious on the table or something a long term on the table or something very committed kind of energy right now, but you definitely are open to in this open to this energies of surrendering to the divine, and whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually kind of deal, right? Very focused on money, job, career, your overall stability, your overall security and safety, future safety and security. Hmm. Right now you are in that zone and in the surrender mode. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 6th of October. What's the deal? What could be the final outcome of the situation till the 6th of October? Four of Wands. Okay, it's like a lot of stability, lot of like this energy of a commitment kind of a deal, a commitment kind of energy coming forward towards you. Okay, let me clarify the Four of Wands. We have the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Page of Wands. Okay, multiple energies are interested in you. It's more than one person interested in you and coming towards you, Libra. One who is very passionate about you, one who is on and off, in and out of your life. They're not very serious about the situation, or they were not very serious about the situation till this point of your time or of this connection. One who is quite serious about you, and this person is coming towards you with a open heart, with a loving and caring and nurturing kind of energy. Whom you're going to choose, it's completely up to you. Now it could be very much possible that you are connected to somebody who is on and off, in and out of your life, and now you're connecting to somebody who is definitely having a soul connection with you, having a heart to heart kind of a connection with you. But both of them are kind of ready to provide you something stable on the table, some kind of commitment kind of deal on the table. Now it's like more than one person interested in you for commitment and or something long term and or marriage kind of deal. Now who you going to choose, what you going to choose, is completely up to you. This is going to change the whole dynamic of your love story. This situation is going to change. This decision of yours is going to change the whole dynamic of your love story. It's no longer going to be the same as it used to be. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Libra. We have the Six of Cups, the Lovers, and the Page of Cups, right? If you're still in love with somebody from your past and you're not able to let them go, even if you're trying and trying and trying and trying your hard, accept it. Accept the situation for what it is, accept your feelings for what they are. Instead of trying to run away from those feelings, instead of trying to like move on to the next person just for rebound kind of a deal, try to understand that it's very, very important to feel the feelings and go through the process in order to let go of the process or the person or the situation completely, so that you can either move towards a past person with a like fresh energy, or you can completely move to the new person with a fresh energy, totally fresh and clean slate, right? But if you are still in this energy of stuck on the past for whatever reason, and you still have feelings for them, accept it. Instead of being in the rebound, instead of being in the next connection, try to understand that you have to go through these feelings gently and slowly and steadily, so that you can move towards the new connection or a reconnection with a fresh clean slate. It's very, very important. And if you're not stuck on something from your past or somebody from your past, you are ready for a clean slate with a new person, with a new energy, then also learn like whatever lessons and blessings you have you got from the past, don't forget them. Okay, apply those lessons and blessings to the new person, new connections and new energies that's coming forward towards you. It's very, very important. So something related to your past is very relevant for the next chapter of your life. Okay, now I told you, now you are going to get it very, very soon. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.